Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about heart diseases and diabetes. A human heart is one of the most vulnerable organ of the body if you are a diabetic. It is very important for a diabetic to know about the heart disease that he or she may develop over time. In this video we are going to discuss about what indicates that we have a heart disease, what are the risk factors for heart disease, how is diabetes interlinked with heart disease? What are the different heart diseases that a diabetic may develop? And what are the preventions of heart disease? First of all, you must know what indicates that we have a heart disease. A human heart is responsible for pumping blood to be regulated throughout your body. It works 24/7 so that all the body parts get fresh oxygenated blood to function. This makes the heart take a lot of pressure and eventually it develops some problems. These problems, if they do not get treated, turn into a severe disease with time. In this video, we will talk about each and everything that keeps a close relationship with heart disease for a diabetic. Knowing about the signs and symptoms of these problems will help you develop these problems in the most initial stages so that they can be treated accordingly. Now let's discuss what are the risk factors for heart disease. After knowing the symptoms, let's jump to the risk factors that increase your chance of developing heart disease. And some of them are smoking. As we all know that heart plays an important role in our body, so any problem in its function affects our body severally. However, a condition as serious as heart disease does not show a warning sign for a quite long time. According to the Center of Disease Control, CDC, 50% of the people who died due to heart disease did not even know they had it because of lack of symptoms. You may perform your daily activities as usual without knowing that you are developing a serious disease. It's important to know the early sign of heart disease so you can start the treatment early and prevent serious heart problems. The early sign and symptoms of heart disease. As I said earlier, heart disease usually does not show any early symptoms. It rather presents itself in the form of heart attack or other serious events. There are some important signs that can help you recognize heart problems. For example, heart arrhythmia. It is a condition in which rhythms or heartbeats are irregular. In heart arrhythmia, you may experience a running heartbeat or shortness of breath after some physical activities like walking on some stairs, discomfort or squeezing in your chest, pain in upper torso, neck and jaw, heartbeat faster, slower or irregular than usual, and dizziness or fainting. Not only the heart beats but the blood vessels are also affected when there is a heart disease. Let us see how. This narrowing of blood vessels could be due to plaque buildup in your arteries, causing blocked and narrowed vessels leading to difficulty in blood circulation. Likewise, symptoms of heart disease caused by an infection of the heart could be fever, shortness of breath, weakness or fatigue, swelling in your legs or abdomen, changes in your heart rhythm, dry or persistent cough, skin rashes or unusual spots. Moving on, let me tell you some symptoms of heart attack, which is also known as myocardial infarction. It occurs when the blood flow decreases too much that it cannot even reach the heart muscles. The blood flow decreases to an extent that the heart cannot fulfill the oxygen demand of even heart muscles itself. The symptoms of heart attack could be chest discomfort that includes intense squeezing and pressure on your heart. This discomfort can also be felt in your neck, back, abdomen or jaw. During a heart attack, you also may experience shortness of breath, profuse sweating for no apparent reason, nausea and lightheadedness. Now let us move on to another part of our video, that is, how is diabetes interlinked with heart disease? If you have diabetes, your risk of developing cardiovascular disease is more than a double that of a general population according to the American Heart Association. For people with type 2 diabetes, heart disease is the most common cause of death. Let's understand how diabetes affects our heart health. Over time, high blood sugar can damage blood vessels and the nerves that control your heart. People with diabetes are also more likely to have another conditions that raise the risk of the heart disease. High blood pressure increases the force of blood through your arteries and can damage artery walls. Having both high blood pressure and diabetes can greatly increase your risk of heart disease. Too much LDL, that is bad cholesterol in your bloodstream, can form a plaque on damaged artery walls. High triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood, and low HDL, good cholesterol, or high LDL cholesterol is thought to contribute to hardening the arteries. None of these factors show symptoms, therefore it's important to keep your blood sugar level in control. Being overweight or having obesity, not getting enough physical activity, eating a diet high in saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol and sodium, drinking too much alcohol. People with diabetes are also more likely to have heart failure, but early diagnosis and treatment can help relieve symptoms and stop or delay the condition getting worse. Next in the video, you will learn about the different heart diseases that a diabetic may develop. What are the different heart diseases that a diabetic may develop? If you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, you have an increased risk of heart disease. Diabetic heart disease can be coronary heart disease, heart failure, or diabetic cardiomyopathy. Coronary heart disease. CDH happens when the arteries that supply blood to heart muscles become hardened and narrowed. This is due to the buildup of cholesterol and other material called plaque on the inner walls. This buildup is called atherosclerosis. As it grows, less blood can flow through the arteries. As a result, the heart muscles cannot get the blood or oxygen as it needs. This can lead to the chest pain or heart attack. Heart failure. Heart failure is a condition in which the heart cannot pump enough blood to meet the body's need. Heart failure does not mean that your blood has stopped or is about to stop working. It means that your heart is not able to pump blood the way it should. It can affect one or both sides of the heart. Diabetic cardiomyopathy. Cardiomyopathy is the name of disease of the heart muscles. These diseases enlarge your heart muscles or make it thicker and rigid than normal. In rare cases, scar tissue replaces the muscle tissues. This can cause serious problems like heart failure, abnormal heart rhythms, heart valve problems, and cardiac arrest. Heart attack, high blood pressure, infection, and other diseases can also cause cardiomyopathy. Prevention is always better than a cure. Let us see how we can prevent ourselves from developing these diseases. What are the prevention of heart disease? If you have a diabetes, heart disease can be a serious concern. But the good news is that there are steps to take to reduce your risk of heart diseases even you have a diabetes. These steps are: control your weight. If you have diabetes, make sure your weight is on healthy level. You have to pay extra attention to a fat around your belly because it can cause insulin resistance, which may lead to heart disease. If you are overweight, talk to your dietitian and control it. Get regular physical activity. Regular physical activity makes your heart stronger, enabling it to pump more blood with less effort. Less effort means the force on your arteries decreases. You should get regular exercise every day for 30 minutes at least. Quit smoking. If you smoke and you have diabetes, then it could be dangerous for you. Nicotine narrows the blood vessel and so does diabetes. So you have to control your blood sugar and quit smoking to prevent heart diseases. Control your blood sugar. This one goes without saying. You have to maintain an optimum level of blood sugar to manage your diabetes. If you keep your diabetes in control, the risk of heart disease decreases. Lower LDL, bad cholesterol. This can be managed by eating high fiber foods like green vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Also keep the triglycerides level low as well to prevent heart diseases. You can opt for regular exercise, healthy eating, and reduce stress for the best outcome. Keep your blood pressure normal. All diabetics should watch out for their blood pressure along with blood sugar. You should eat less sodium. Too much sodium causes the blood vessels to constrict, which can drive up the blood pressure. So these are the measures you may follow for avoiding heart diseases. I hope this video answers all your queries related to heart diseases and diabetes. Also like this video, share it with those who are diabetic, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos on diabetics.